Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel subscription in the Liven app. How to cancel your Liven app subscription. Now to cancel this, you'll need to do it through your app store or directly within the app itself if the option is available. So canceling via the app store. iOS, that is for app. You go to the Apple App Store, go to settings on your iOS device, tap on your Apple ID, then tap on subscriptions, find the Liven app in the list of subscriptions, tap on the Liven app subscription, select cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation. If you're using an Android device, go to Google Play Store, open it, tap on menu, which is three lines at the top left corner, select subscription, find the Liven app subscription in the list, tap on the Liven app subscription, select cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation. If you want to cancel within the Liven app, if it's available, this is how you do it. Check app settings. Some apps may have an option to manage subscription within the app itself, so you look for account or settings. Explore this app settings or account section for any options related to subscription or billing. These are some important things to note. When you cancel your subscription, it will typically prevent future recurring charges. However, you may still have access to the app features for the remainder of your current billing cycle. If you encounter any issues or have trouble canceling your subscription, please contact Liven customer support for assistance. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.